So man, let me tell y'all, I've been waiting 30 minutes to use the bathroom, bruh. And Arlen's just been in there hogging it this whole time. Bro, what are you doing, bruh?
You mind?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rellybo Barber back at it again with another video. And right here I got a big transformation for you guys. I got my boy SJ in the chair and we're about to give him his first haircut. Stay tuned. So I got the hair parted on the sides and I got my number 3 guard. And I'm not actually going against the scalp when I take this hair down. I'm actually leaving it a little longer. So when I do blend it, I can blend it in with the top. So now that the ponytail is gone, I'm gonna go ahead and pick out his hair and I'm gonna have it kind of like a fro and get it ready for a shape up. So right here I'm gonna use a pair of shears to cut some of the long hair out the way, and I'm gonna kind of shape it to where all the hair on top stands up on its own. So when I come in with my clippers, it's easier to shape up. Now that the hair can stand on its own, I'm gonna go ahead and give him a nice little shape up. So before I actually start the fade, I got my seniors with the number 2 guard on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the bulk on the sides, not actually digging in, just flaring out. So to start off this fade, I got my Andy Slimline Pros, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my first bald line. Next I got my Wall 5-star finales, and I'm gonna go ahead and full shave just beneath that first bald line. So I noticed it was a little long on the sides, so I actually grabbed my number 2 guard and I went up like 2 inches, just so when I start my other guidelines it will be easier to see. Next I grabbed my Wall Curless Seniors, and using it with no guard, lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and make my first guideline going up about 1 inch. Next, using it with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and bump out that bald line going up just a bit. Next, I'm going to be playing with the lever, opening and closing it just to blend out the rest of this guideline. Next, I got the number 1 guard with the lever all the way closed, and I'm gonna go ahead and make another guideline going up 1/2 inch. Next, using my half guard, I'm gonna start off with the lever halfway closed, and I'm gonna be closing it little by little to blend out the rest of this guideline. For my next step, using the 1.5 guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm gonna make another guideline going up another 1/2 inch. Going back to my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to be closing the lever little by little just to blend out the rest of this guideline. Using my number 2 guard, I'm going to make another guideline, except for this guideline, I'm going to also be flicking out just to blend it in with the top. Next, going back to my 1.5 guard, I'm going to be opening and closing the lever to blend out the rest of that guideline. So the haircut's gonna kind of be like a curly comb over look, so I'm gonna kind of do it like a juice cut, and right here you're gonna see me part the hair, and later on in this clip I got the number 2 guard, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut with the grain to lay it down. So I see that there's still some bulk up here, so I got the number 2 guard with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the rest of that. So right here I actually see a dark spot, so I'm going back to my 1.5 guard, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the rest of that blend. So right here, using the number 2 guard, I'm gonna actually scoop out the hangover, so I'm just gonna go straight up just to get rid of that bulk. So I'm done with the fade. Now it's time for me to really get into the top. So I'm going to give him a shape up, and I'm going to keep it to where the hair only curls on top to give it that curly comb over look. So I got the hair nice and wet, and I got this product called napping cream paste, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some in his hair just to bring them curls back. So this is pretty much it for this video, YouTube. This is the cut. I never actually did a long hair transformation to where I had to do a style cut before, so believe me, it was a big challenge. And right here in this area, this fade, I want to show you guys that there's an indent in his head, so that dark spot, it was very hard to get out. But besides that, the overall cut, I think it looks very clean. If you guys like this cut, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to keep updated on any upcoming YouTube videos or for daily posts, follow me on Instagram at RellyBoBarber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.